Well, Yama, Yashef Wakwaba, and Farmer say Obed Network. Awusia, Yada was a Sonia Brehna, within Asia Wabra. Yanso Yatanase. Agudia Musem and the Abuabuano, I the Airbabe Somo, the SSA Wotie, na SSA Woshe, and Yapunchi, Eddie Boon Krata. So, production team now, where Juma Yipa, reporters and society, Eddie Kankacham, Sabribia, one more. Ewo grounds are more air Juma Yipa. Young first and for mark of your confidence. And I feel the executive, the director himself say Obed, one more Adaroma, and I feel one more Edin Sembebrina etimiaba. And in radiation, I a baby home como a Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Yanko Point Adoma Kwesiada, one more game or more airball in the Cavs a Confederation Cup game. Editia Kwara United. And we say any you do come baby, but and ne training a team at Toja. NFA Kotoko and among two more two Ediafa team now more any more eba bebo a Kwara United no the Bruno Ekan says scouting no and Pampanswa mo etimia monitor team near Kwakudru Enra coach Abdul Karim Zito Asia Kotoko media team na nasa nsem trofo nyina enkoma mudi ye no the APM one akono eni se coach no wogidie pa se Asante Kotoko ebetwi afa Kwara so dakosi ada na afa mpo no womo enso atoa so akwa qualify ewo Nigeria mountain so Kwara team na nya ba bedu Ghana na womo ekura mrantie bako eduonu miensa 23 man squad eno mo baaye yebesisi so na afi yetimi edi ho nkomo kakra enso etimi edi amo na enag na Kotoko ye ne last but one training ewo elwak eye agropamano so na empenifu akukudam enetimi ekopie mu ekwahwe training ni bi no mu wie ye nso enkomo bebre eno mutimi ediye emo wire mfiri se weekend Ghana Premier League week 2 match day 2 etimi efrase enedei ewo takwa mediama afa nkunimidie edi etia ni opponent yebedi hu komo na afi other matches nso yetimi edi atoa so etimi edi ama live on say Obed Network ebushomidi ni Kofi Aristotle mene say Obed ene di dwumai enso etimi edi ama o de ane say Obed like page no subscribe na fi wase wuya ye ne bedi dwumani ntino ema owire mfi say wo de comment ebeto video na se na yetimi akenkan wo de wadwen kyereba na saa na yenso yetimi everyday ne kama de sese yetwetwe ho nkoma na se yedi ho nkoma no ewo comment no ho no yebeye ne saa enso etimi ye de just to feel being part with us na bibia so etimi akokama mama ma se Obed akwaba na yemfiri yenkomodie na se na bibia so etimi ankokama director
Kofi bia ukode
nyame adom na wonso e
na eboafo so side hoye there
oh nyame adom
echiredin there
echiredin
nyame adom a wanya ne tie so watu wansi wo so be represent here Accra
yes
other team no so no egusu ya arrangement na yambo achitafo no nka yese nyame adom a Sunday 50 cedis
okay
yes any 100 so Fabu census
Fabu census ni between 50 cities na omo register on the Fabu census na 100 cities and you see how advantageous the Fabu census is and also Kotoko official pages no so I think it's *199 or some confirm on farmer it's also subscribe to the Fabu census because it's very
and the league matches na costing
media Martin official 4-0 editia Vision FC making it 2 out of 2 wins. 6 points.
Coach Ibrahim Tanko
goals.
First 2 matches, Vision Young Apostles.
Mediama Young Apostles 2-0 for
and then the first game was against
Mediama first game was against Young Apostles away. Okoshe 2-0 and then
they were both home 4-0. To 2 matches, 6 goals. 0
points.
conceded, 6 points. On top of the league.
Exactly.
You be discussing African Gold Stars Kotoko but this is impressive performance from Coach Ibrahim Tanko.
Okay.
So unim Tanko. On se Tanko ajini din kakra or national team hono.
Yeah.
But club level no, you shed any much to say about Ibrahim Tanko.
Okay.
Club level Ghana hano has a conho pain. He's been linked to Kotoko. At a point he almost joined Kim Faisa. Ebrana consortium na chips amudi anim no na on person percentage we can face no more running
okay
the coach and come be use no Ibrahim Tanko the national team Blasters under 20, under 23. Ni nyina wa be paying, but you buy a league no ma. You bo coaches RG league paying Ibrahim Tanko count.
Okay.
Bashir Hayford. You bo bit Maso Kunadu coach Ogum. Now when you bit say Samuel Buadumono.
Okay.
Coach Nuruddin Ahmed with Samates.
Yeah.
When you're from Pomanson with Baby Gold Stars no. Umfa Ibrahim Tanko. Even Ibrahim Tanko is here to win a local cup.
Major cup.
Yes, whether the FA Cup or the
EP.
extended FA Cup as it to Mudi PPM, Didi Dramani with League and FA Cup. Kotoko also G2.
Yeah.
Didi Tanko Dimbem. Now Midiama has been knocking on the doors.
Okay.
On some League, you know.
Yeah.
Last 2 seasons. Omoje and a summer test beje and a Gold Stars beje. Western for me and Sana Jere Atwaso. Omaji FA Cup.
Yeah.
But new venue no. What you mun come in Ayamo if see about Africa no ha. Whether it will be accepted by CAF is a different story. But they be omuka if see about Africa, if see about Africa.
Okay.
Inti omani da so ni nyina say Ombeji League.
Okay.
And this is one starter for Tanko as a person. So to me the media league never born a pedigree. And also media man so betimi 17 position.
Okay.
As a wonderful coach. On say Evans Adote and Eddie Omoje.
Yeah.
Now he's with Baseke.
Baseke.
So he league now about this season. Now he coach Somanji league ne pa umu. Bashir Effort.
Okay.
Samuel Buadu. From Paul Manson. Nuruddin Amedu.
Okay.
Didi Dramani. Now about a year. Evans Adote. To be 6 coaches.
Okay. 6 out of 18.
Yes, 18. I be so JFA Cup near the idea. Good start for Midiama. And not to concede is also a good mark.
Yeah.
Defense win new championship. Okay. Vision team no. Also lose some players kakra. Has Kofebi. A bit too kind.
Yeah. Adriana
Kofebi. Go Stars Kofebi. Go Stars go form left back. Has Kofa Duku.
Yeah.
Striker no. And your mom to kwanya chief of staff ton. So I don't really expect them to hit the ground. Once the first game, once the summer test, about draw, and then normal lose. But send a kind.
Takwa has not favored them.
Upe teams to watch out for this season. Media maso count.
Yeah. And team Yamshaka on the remaining matches. Nyamia Doma Ebetra so a China and near can say Nene Sunday. Mamima a full fixtures and now take it near cancer will pick na intimidate. But so lucky. And now the Abetna Hanumaya can say Kotoko Macha, 1 by 3 p.m. Uti. Now how to focus so 3 p.m. A war a near a J. Creku a bit me have the Ghana Football Association a postponing house the Nakwa question Wednesday. On Saturday or that channel games are about
Monday or Wednesday.
Monday, 3 p.m. How United any young apostles?
How it will win. Then to also
11 wonders. Pando Heart of Lions. Draw for that game.
Scoring draw.
Okay. Right. On Sunday, no. Summer test betting if you need Karela Abo.
Yeah, skip it.
Okay.
Once Nuruddin, he knows the venue.
Yeah.
Summer test trying to pick up with Christopher Enin. Difficult game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bechem United ne Basaka Holy Stars.
Bechem straight win.
Swedro Blacks Brekum.
Basaka some teams on Barry now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. So do you know why?
All Blacks go home to Brekum Chelsea, who lost to Asante Kotoko last weekend.
I had a Brekum Chelsea and a back-to-back defeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All Blacks one more performance last weekend.
Back-to-back. I'm trying to make us meet me at my Chelsea back.
Adriana Nations FC.
Adriana win.
Well, then on Wednesday, Dreams FC.
Wednesday view.
Or on Monday, sorry, Dreams FC. 3 p.m. versus Hearts of Oak.
Well, it was a good decision. I said Sunday, no matches were whole. I brought you crank off for Bobo and Africa so cost.
Okay.
Monday a holiday.
Yeah.
Monday a holiday.
Okay.
It's a whole Monday a holiday. Obi decided say Accra my holidays go Foko Beach in Yadi. Obi Obeka Onko Beach no. Obi think so my men ko hebo. Nti won fan be share time abroche de wo ho a eje attention ni bi. Africa de wo ho a eje attention ni bi. Fa ko share Monday. The Monday ni nyina no be attention then.
And yet to Kotoko's benefit.
It was even a good decision from them. Kofi you nyoma bi o ha you are the able you no be yebia dia kura wo de be yoka so what the make
and Kahas and I say likely say Dreams FC enya
dreams
support, yeah, supporters.
Dreams home.
Okay.
Dreams were floating supporters.
Okay.
Oh. And you want to get the heart of folk supporters. And now fancy holiday.
Okay.
Holiday I will be at if you attend if you are no pana or die relax it. Every am a conquer body.
Okay.
When you see now, what the Abesha had just Sunday na Chelsea name for Bono City name. I mean, all
right.
Yeah.
So this is about the Ghana Premier League match day 2. Kakrebi and it me etche Hong Kong. Nebusia ma yanko CAF Confederation Cup game no so. Asante Kotoko ne Kwara. Kwara nya ba betu. Yenya atena ase na pa ne ka cho say wo mo the 23 man squad neighbor. Anapa no kra mo edit delegation in kan by. Na ma ECC so kakra itinerary Wamo ediba yina ya boss on sweet media more around by 6, 5, 16 and wamo confirm we say players nankasa so atimi attach down
mini scanner and I'm banning surprise
we be na a personal decision
personal Bobo Sunday we be through Friday anajo me da why training fine e be omonya external trace but surprise no doors
okay
so
right. And it's the over squad on the buy any a goalkeeper Suraj Ailu so
on the
beda. Say the past
4 matches no nada.
Ibrahim Yaya Kabiru Mohammed Victor Adioye
Kabiru Mohammed ne captain.
Oh okay.
The Kabiru ne captain.
Then Aliu Salomtin Said Olaini then Ini Emmanuel Ini sana na wakana sema kra winger.
Oh hard.
Then Bright
the DPM report no.
Okay. Okay. Bright Babatunde. Then Allow Muhammad Junior Aimofa Nuruddin Badmus na Musa Abdul Afiz. Then Sion Ogunuribe Arinze Ogbona Ozo Philip Toyib Gidigo na Obiola Kingsley.
Don't you be out to us why you be any contract.
Mubarak Said
Obiola Kingsley 2 goals from Asian this in Washaba. Yes. He's a new signing.
Okay.
Yeah, to us.
Okay. Then Shola Abdurrahman, then Akani Akim, Issa Gata, then Afiz Bankoli, where 23 man squad, led by coach Eddie Sani Tunde.
Sani Tunde be Genetri.
Yeah.
I think say Akan. Any sports paparazzi didn't come off from Nigeria.
Okay.
Or the two enim say Tunde Nankasa League no money or more, Muti Krumo or money or more born. Mamo Bianso no coach league in crown crow bow Genetri.
Okay.
Need the born no. Or a defensive minded.
Okay. Ombium. Okay.
He's a combined version of traditional Stoke City.
Okay.
So them Stoke City said the Stoke Bobo. Through corner.
Yeah.
Yan fire team set piece.
Yeah.
That is his style.
Okay.
He's a bully.
Okay.
He wants his players to bully opponents. According to the APK. This was even coming from the Nigerian brother.
Okay.
And a picture of how they play.
Okay.
And then you clear about the reporter
Okay.
Now say I'm about anti-football. I'm about the
okay.
I'm a specialist with knockouts. And in league they did not perform.
Okay.
But knockout you share neutral venue be Udiagra
or
the Katashina or the Etria House. Do you get my point?
Okay.
Now he acknowledged that based on the results of many during the preseason and the results of when the season started. And if you move from Nigeria, monitor Ghana for they are not a match for Kotoko. And he's expecting Kotoko to win.
Oh, okay.
Paparazzi in the cancer.
Okay.
When Century Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yan the Kasa Ukwadano.
Okay.
Na Okawie yeno. No one candidate, but now who be here see us, you be now only obi be boy so who ni pan and share now 2-1 more. The good news that Kotoko have enough data about Kwara.
Oh, okay.
Maybe to many can be enough. But I bet me to the head coach it might not be enough. Nipani was
Bianco no
Obepe more. Maybe I mean central me say Kotoko who I'm also oh near some yellow.
Me based on that.
But maybe a coach because it's not enough.
Okay.
Kwara United last 20 goals has been analyzed.
The last 20 goals are Kwara Arsenal.
It has been analyzed. And the data is with Kotoko.
Wow.
And majority of the goals, the build-up starts from crosses and through. To Kotoko ne Kwara bebono. Expect so many attacking through. On the content and one part to the Now with their build-up, it was also known that they attack with their fullbacks.
Number 2 and number 3 no.
Laterals no.
Okay.
The omu call me nimpa. Because coach ni bought double pivot.
Okay.
In the laterals ne kwa double pivot no ba ko be share chire na 3.
Okay.
Na ba ko asan den edge na nim to de be ba still wa be to 4. Chire ho. They play 1 number 10. Mo ball no. So they create with their fullbacks.
Okay.
But their wingers near wingers ne cut in be can striker no.
Okay.
Into fullback in the cross me ba no benya at least nipa 3. Ewo box no. Tenya wingers na cross because team ne be cross no. Onya more players in the box.
Okay.
Omo betwi ase. Into fullbacks na ba be cross no.
Okay.
Now wingers na be can striker ne ho a no ma 3.
Okay.
Na number 10 na gina just behind them for the defend the second ball.
Se corner pem na ba.
That is what the report.
It is a Kotoko team na enka Patrick Esiedu na bia Lord Amu anasa Hamza Atamu bi. And the be crossing no.
Inti ball no mo be ya enya Philip Amu na be obehu no that time was amono
aba be
ya. Aba kan aba tamu a. And I say those who are e box my me because when the cross e ba obehia so obenya players bebre omu a omu be twi ase. And they've scored 8 goals with the head.
Oh, okay. In
the last 20 goals are Kwara United.
Okay.
That is what they're
training them.
Your mobile. At the back, a disadvantage. Whilst they attack with their fullbacks, it is still their disadvantage because fullbacks, you have spaces on the wide areas to attack them from.
Okay. A back counter attack now.
In Tinameka, our previous video back, say, team obo possession, our possessive bay football. To say Basa.
Yeah.
Our money defenders ne be ni. Ni weakness ni say, and I'm say defenders na be ni me. Kwan be omo any keeper nentem. But eno aso na your advantage.
Yeah.
Tejina kwan as advantage. No be use to the tie nipa no.
Okay. Your back line here.
Wo de be tie nipa no.
Okay.
Tie na Basa for coach no say. Sen kofo be use sa de na tie me set offside.
Offside no.
2 years anu awede abetum. But me beat you offside na dia obenya space bebre ansa na wako two keeper no. To benya 1-on-1 a who play no kuta ball no space or the ball no ko to atrem. So how they use their fullbacks. When you get the ball, your advantage is to spread the ball to the wing because ho and na omo gina ho no omo ni ho.
Ti Kotoko nya pacey wingers.
Exactly. Number 2.
Okay.
They are very good with the second ball. Team obo ball for wiem bebre. According to the scouting report, mankind in the previous video,
okay,
they hardly passed bare 6 at Waso.
No man say.
Omunya team a pass bare 6 to Waso. Direct football, down. That was the first thing that was the catcher Kotoko. Direct football.
Okay. Omunya ball no so.
Now omunya team wa ye be ball no pass it no ya pass them we now say. Team about double pivot to the on the passing heading. About number 6 for me, you know.
Okay.
Coach need to be quiet. About number 6 for Bemi and Sakura away matches. Into a mono, your bossing beam no more.
Okay.
And I'm so moya man, the 2 wingers, no. Whom fian for to say, Kotokobe whom Peter Aqua, no on Philip Amono.
Okay.
They'll use wingers who are built.
Okay.
Because they are wingers. But my first one is a chimo mo am na pem to e man number 10 no ti omo hia mranti a yebosi mu a ombe sisu afa ball no.
Okay.
So based on the scouting report, Kotoko has been told that omo be brese ball no omo ba omo be fan first. Be say Kotoko fo no omo ye how from.
Okay.
Send your ball no omo twi beto for the second ball omo be fan no.
Yes, I know you need the second born and so on.
What your fufu to omunkwem.
Okay.
Nti so omo be born pa na Adani Stadium ye dear. The pattern of their play in the last 20 games and Tressa.
Okay.
Unless if your master son and omo dia, but based on omo league omo boy omo qualifying the value jet cap. Omo competition no near friend value jet cap. And yet omo league. The same higher gaka top form. Omo then was called the value jet cap. Meaning I need panel monetize.
Okay.
And a 4 league matches normal. Jomo the same information in Eddie Amam penny for. On the day Philip Amu be here pa. Why no for no.
Okay.
But I say omon pesa. Why the two form chichichi no omon pe.
Umbe chows.
Umbe chow.
Okay.
Aha, umbe chow. And I say you what league differences. League differences near say and there are clubs ni be called Champions League umbrella. Premier League maybe a foul be a referee bebu na ni aguso no.
Champions
maybe a Spanish La Liga.
Referee no beji.
Say Spanish referee gyina mu a. And you ma fan normal who say normal push with Italian league no beji wo.
La Liga no.
La Liga no. To ba beji wo Champions League net year.
Because we see.
So based on that, the Nigerian league allows some form of physicality. And ma kwan ma hoodin game kakra den ebem. Enti ya kwaya nim no. Kotoko 1-2 form am nyanya fouls no. Okay. No mutimi e den. You so to sha or quick passing to the wings. That is when fullbacks na den abano to nya ya no quick fakọ wings so hona who play and benya space hona who play and benya space e dey punish you so nkomu bebre but it's looking good for Kotoko based on the details that is coming. Okay. And Hesen and Yoma Beko. And also Pennyfo because
and me find say last but one training so personalities or moko or pictures and videos and say can be a na penka.
Yeah, say no say nana no we kese na say nti ese wo fo do so ye ni nyina
kwesi apia
yes kwesi apia has been there
legends be call
yeah.
But
it's a sports minister.
Sports minister. On a book of feed Adams.
No, but man, shut down. Other. Bon, Kumasi near Pessia, Bonamia, Mo Kumasi, I don't know how people amount for the fund. The back of it. Kotoko, I used to say,
Swag president, so called.
Yes, Governor Bois. Yet, I used to say, Saturday amount for concrime 50 cities, 100 cities. Because I 50, Nipan commit me free. What I say? So, 50 in 100 ticketing count. Tinipa could do a no coaching ticket. To imagine
we no cry idea. If you say a cry, what so? Yeah.
Chairman Soloma Bem Papa Chairman Solo. Mama Bem no my force why trebi. Yeah. So imagine if Senka Kumasia and I yeah bus we ready. They can decide as our bus and on behind now could be in Chiahe. Because we're Timiama a traditional Accra Kumasi, which is 80 for our sprinter 100 for VIP for 2 120 for the F2 F1
single seat no.
Oh yeah. And in and out you're looking around 200 not in and out to a 50. Yeah. That means enke possible says I lolo basi or be kon crying. Come to me the see was a Sunday and talk Kumasi.
And say obedo we no kwa obesa kwesi circle. Na was not for so.
Aha. And yeah we no kran we no stadium street.
But we the Kotoko arrangement do the go stadium.
Ti me say senka enye the Accra na ekoba. Ke scan no mutua no. I'm telling you say scan no mutua. Ke betimi ahan say ya lolo no. Nanka ekọ round. Yeah. Supporters never stay
for no fee.
For no fee.
For sika na betua.
Yes, ntika how the brand na betua gate. Just that throw bars na yensu baby
straight to stadium.
Yeah. Because if Etimia subsidize it, I'm about do 50 cedis. That means Kebetimia subsidize I'm free because I crack Kumasi in and out no. They will be charged more. Yeah. By enfan is a bus no. A tall Kumasi runabout. So Kumasi runabout. Oh, yeah. Araga Junction. Airport. Swam runabout. Yeah. Abrepo. Santasi. Ahojo. Yeah. Sorry, Santasi runabout. Ahojo. Na besi more. Oh, yeah. More now for new road I call Araga. Sana Kumasi. Kesi now next we chat. on ansana other junctions number so committee me decide say sa bus no ehon kwa na nam kra ite 200 aga na akosi swame na afa swame fo no na afa ebia abrepo fo no ayema wa abrepo abra na fufuro no so to aso
na ba de no so nam so
because we bus ne betima e be 4 so imagine say ka 4 buses no mo CC these joints te be Asante asera na ba akosi wo abrepo ba akosi ana swam ba akosi nti wo de ani say wote swame kwan no so te tafo kwan no so a wo beduru swame a
na watwen
wafa bus na ba ote santase free kokoben ne ba no uduru anu afa
eprifo yina ba
tech fo ne ejoso ne krapa fo mu beduru aga junction a
munso ma adwen ne
nti anu ko ebetimi agina tech Kenya ase ne bokrom fo ne krofrom fo no nyina no munso megina bia airport runabout ana se krofrom
okay
Go send nke betimi atwe ni panaba passport minister aba krom aba share boss aba ne bubo krom a yentimi amba okrom nti e work na akono yenye oden na me na ebo afokofi
Kotoko management no at this moment then now mo aya we ni age hu proud to the game.
It looks like they've spent on the team the team na ko share crime won say na hit to Kumasi o was steady for this week na hit to Kumasi obi no na oche okrum it was better say they moved there new environment na amu hu say on see go school no ya be tro wase yes ye boarding and ya be tro bi yes ye boarding the reason is that ye ma every day bia woda sorry a wo hu botaye ne ade esi wani so also o tifie ni ma betime distracted but
boarding house
A B C na everything is BC the sana ya e fe campaign no what campaign you keep the focus the born
okay
but can be obi te clubhouse here the baby girl be in a la be for that they've done well but born in Timiambo Kumasi ne it wasn't the best coffee
well say Obed network na ebushia ye nemu edi ehia yi ni na no Kotoko CAF Confederation Cup ekwamba fashion afi womo edi nkunim a esefa tai betimi aboa ama Krobia Asante Kotoko atimi qualify ahead Kwara United emo wire mfisi yi di Ghana Premier League ho so nkomo kakra so but we kakra bi to Kotoko supporters na
Friday sorry
on
Sunday na embo modern virtual seat no so no I'm still expecting the number means I'm kind. About to Jana, wow, so I want to mean Kono, also contribute to Kakra at the Amakotoko.
Right.
And Kofi, ever represent here, Wakra.
Yeah.
Same gen. So, China, sorry.
I channel question.
Oh, dear, me no answer. China, question.
Right.
Kosiada. Okoboy, Jumadia.
Right. Abusha, do be see her. Name of the attendant say, over like a page in an answer channel, no. With subscription here, ye pass, subscribe, said ye be a bribia. Yetnasia also ye the video ni tumwa ubenya notification na wotimi akwa hwe sanse ye de ene se wuti share na for comment fatuo na bibia so entime nko kama. It is about the Ghana Premier League match day 2 Asante Kotoko CAF Confederation Cup then also other important stories ene yetnase ye deliberate me di Kofi Aristotle mitine kundwa mu eche na wote say Obed director of say Obed Networks. Production team no led by Confidence. Yedu be say ha show hu su yi na wan kwankwanya asem. Yankopon chire ye nyina.